Model, 52 Iveco Daily 2003 5S112.8 HDIM WB Camper Conversion Electrical Repair No Vat. Body, grey, camper. Mileage, 169999. Engine, 2798 ccN2 FLA/FKS. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts with a bump start. Runs great. The revs stay on around 3,500 RPM. Throttle has no response. This has some kind of electrical issue, not sure, but if you know about these, it will be a simple fix. Engine, clutch and gearbox are perfect. Just has electrical issue. Suspect wiring issue, evidence of rat's thinking face. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear camper area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest camper van.